I would say these freeze plugs definitely need to be replaced. I just punched one of them out. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna pull these. I don't know if we have them on hand. We'll probably have to order them, but we'll have to see. So I got all the freeze plugs out.
AutoZone came. It's in
They're
the trunk of the Impala.
pretty rusted. This manifold has seen better days, but the thermostat part is better. So I'll measure those because I'm almost certain we don't have them that's this small. So I'll get the diameter and clean it up, and then probably pressure wash the shit out of this thing, and then hopefully put it on if I can get these today. But yeah. Alright guys, so I pressure washed the new manifold that came in. It looks a lot better. So I got a little chunks that I can get off the wire wheel, but majority of it is off. All our mating surfaces look really good. They're not gouged or anything. And obviously no more rusty freeze plugs there. So, and then some of the carb studs were bent. So we have a set of those coming. And then as you were mentioning, the temp sensor, the thread is a size too small, so we're gonna have to drill that and tap that, which I believe you mentioned doing that before. And then, but it is an early manifold like yours, so all the things are in the same spot. And yeah, clean up all your fittings. Like the heater hose one that you were talking about is impossible to find. And then paint it black. Yeah, that's where we're at.